Hello, I'm ARJUN'S and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show how to create a chatbot. Sorry for the delay, I told it will be on Pongal, but sorry for the delay. First, open Dialogflow. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll show you something like this. Don't do in this. Type console, so it will show this build an agent. Press that. And in that there will be the link. Next, sign in with Google. Sign in with your account. I am signing in with my account. Dismiss. We'll put it down here. I've already created this. This is my chatbot. I'll leave a link to that also. You can ask anything about me. Now, for you already there will be create a new agent. I am pressing the drop down here and pressing create a new agent. Today is not much coding. We just have to fill in some things. Agent name, I'm going to put it as YouTube agent. Okay, no. This itself, okay. Asia or Mati, you can do anything as yours. Or press create. It's working it out. So yeah, I finished the recording. Now let's create the intents. Intents are questions. You can create as many intents as you want. We'll start with one intent. First we'll do the first two default intents. Default fallback intent and default welcome intent. Okay, I'm going to default fallback intent. Okay, and type in here has. What can we type? I cannot hear you. Please try again. Wait, not in intent, actually. In responses. Scroll down and responses. There will be already some ready-made text responses. Just if you want, you can do in that. I'm going to do it in that. Or else you can type your own text response here. It's the same. See here. I missed that. Say that again. Or it's this. I didn't get that. Can you say it again? So I'm going to do the first one. I'll delete the rest of them. And at the end of the video, I'll be showing a neat trick in HTML Google. So yes, this is done. We can put it as the fallback intent, because this is supposed to be the question, but they've already coded some things for this to be the default fallback this thing. Fallback means if the voice this thing or the question is wrong, it will show that message. The message we did down there. Sorry, what was that? Fallback. Save. You have to do it 2 times. Save. Now press again intents in the side section. Okay, let's delete this. Can delete that, and we'll create a new intent for hello. There's the intent name, right? Put in there hello. Save. We've saved the name. Now let's type in the response. The response should be, you can type your own response. I'm typing this. Hello, I am ARJUN'S Coding World Chatbot. Hope I may be useful to you. Yes, and I want to tell you that this video will be in 2 parts. Okay, this is finished. Now let's go to the save this thing. And the next save. Okay, now we'll test the 2 things. Hello. It's showing, sorry, what was that? I know why it's showing like that. Because we have to finish the training. There's a training section here. Go to that. Since we typed in hello and sent, see, hello is here. Now, there's user says hello. Fallback should be hello. Hello intent. Now, if we press approve and type again hello, just a second, hello, then enter. it says, hello, I am Arjun's Coding World Chatbot. Hope I may be useful to you. Next, go back to the intent section. Press create intent. Next intent. Okay, what's the next intent? Okay, what can be the next intent? Yeah, I know what it is. What is your YouTube channel link? Link. I'll get my YouTube channel link and paste it in the responses. So I'm back and I got my YouTube channel link. So let's paste it in the responses. This is the YouTube channel link. Press enter. No. Press space and Control V. Now it's the link to my YouTube channel. Okay, next. Yeah, let's save it 2 times. Now let's create another intent. Its name is yeah, this will be the last intent of the video, because in the last 3 minutes because after this I'm going to show you that neat HTML trick on Google. So we are going to put how many videos we have created. I'll check how many videos I have created and tell you. I found out it. We've created 10 videos. I'm going to put 11 video because this is my 11th video. Okay, let's go to text responses. I have videos in my YouTube channel. Okay, we finished it. Let's I'll type in the intent name. Yes, I did how many videos we have created. So yeah, that's it for today's video.